So what would the people do when they come up here, like the poker people and the science people? What would they do?
Then go out with them thing, you know, then jump on, go on with them poker business, and but they can't get Copie. They want to get Copie because students know that Copie is a high, what you call it, high kind of spiritual thing. They then catch him, then can do what heap of thing with them.
Okay.
Make them rich, make them poor, make them kill man and so. Because I not tell you, say, come like Chucky when you see a show, man. That's dangerous thing, man. Because you saw Chucky did in the couch, relax, and the maid go see Chucky and say, what happened to you? And Chucky goes within your eye. At that time, Chuck them and know say Chucky is a living dead. Chucky woke me eye and the maid see and said, Lord, what is Chucky? Drop back asleep like a living dead. So I something like that today. I don't know Duppy, my girl. No Duppy. People say Duppy, but me not say Duppy. Because you can't see Duppy, so me see the finger them. That's the only thing me see for them. Right down to it. Can show it down against the board. So I said, wanna see me? I'm in the right next. I'm enough man, but me to be a little bit up front. And me a look. That's the only part of Chucky. So, and in not at all somebody. That's something not all. Short around, so because me see the hand. So me see the hand, the giant of the hand them. You can't know say nothing tall. Nothing tall around the size there.
Really? That's small?
Yeah, around that. But you have a loud voice. If you hear Chucky sing reggae, man, or some Bob Marley music, man.
Copie, not Chucky, Copie.
If you hear Copie sing some Bob Marley music down the old pirate, the rabbi, and that's in love with the music there, you know.
Bob Marley?
Yeah, that one there. Old pirate, the rabbi, sold out to the merchant ship. When you hear, and then they not beat the floor, you know. You think Chuck Copie easy? Copie not easy, man. Copie not easy. Not an easy spirit.
So was there a time when it was just you? Like when you witnessed all of this, it was just you were in a crowd. So you've never gone by yourself?
No. All the while I go to a crowd, I go there, because I want to go there. Anytime I see the crowd, I go over there. But then I see the crowd. I stay in the church and peep. I'm not going over there. Yeah. Me not go over there.
And since then, you haven't heard any other stories about wayward spirits or anything like that?
No, not really, no. That's the only wayward spirit me really hear about in my lifetime coming in, during my life growing. And it's an experience that, you know. Me sorry say we there. All the same, as we say, if we have camera, we couldn't take Copie picture. And nothing. We could have probably pick up his voice on a phone and then we there.
Right.
But you couldn't pick up him otherwise, kind of show up himself. Copie said, when I tell Copie go over there sing, you know, Copie said, Lord God, you know, I want a girl tonight, you know, but Miss Brown, the cameraman is Miss Brown, you know. I'm tired of Miss Brown. Miss Brown, just shut up your mouth. You're too damn lying.
You said Copie was around for about 3 months.
Yeah.
So how long did it take for the granddaughter, Marva, you say, and Miss Brown to like move out? How long did it take for them to leave?
Long. After Copie gone, you know, after them Copie vanished and the people they hear about it, then come from Miss Brown. I don't know. Maybe a year after or so, then come from Miss Brown.
A year?
Probably a year after that happened, then come from Miss Brown and take her away.
This is something that you have witnessed. Was there any point in time that you said, maybe this is probably just another person giving trouble? Like somebody taking...
Somebody in the house and make trouble?
Yeah, just somebody in the house and make trouble.
No, man. Because when Miss Brown and Marva, cheer them to the yard, you know. Miss Brown and Marva and granddaughter, you know. Miss Brown and husband and the granddaughter, you know.
Right.
And when the grandfather gone and Miss Brown come out in the yard and Marva then out in the yard and Copie in the house and make trouble. Miss Brown can't go in there sometime. She gets frustrated, she get, you know, I don't know about Miss Brown, she get slim because she fret and
Stressed out.
Yeah. It's a real thing, Copie. Me tell a real thing. I don't know gimmicks, I don't know story me them way there. Copie a real thing. Real thing, my girl.
Do you know of any other stories, like Duppy stories or anything like that anybody has shared?
Well, you see the Duppy story thing. For me, you not like hear about Duppy story, so I'm not interested to hear about Duppy story, you know. But you see, this event is not a Duppy story.
Not a Duppy story?
No. Me tell you say not a Duppy story. No, man, not a Duppy story, no. Not Duppy business, because I can't see Duppy, you know. I don't know Duppy business, Mr. Man. Some genie thing, man. Like, in the olden days, people usually have them things for work. That's can't when me read and when me hear about. It's a genie. You have it at your home. And if you want to go rob, you send him go rob. If you want to send him go kill, you send him go kill. It's like a black art thing with them study.
Okay.
Yeah, to get that thing there. Cause Mr. Brown is a good reader and them way there. I mean, a whole heap of book that man did have over there, And if I ain't done inside them from, a whole heap of book that man did have. And Copie bone up every one of them. Chew them out and bone them up. All that enough thing Copie destroy for them over them. And say, want to go back to England. So, me know, after a while, we don't hear nothing about him. But 3 months straight, man, night and day, me see people live about here, When you see vehicle park all about that time, the school don't build up yourself.
All of this was just like open land.
No, cane piece, peel cane need plant, so peel cane go right down back to Coley.
Right.
Peel cane,
Mm-hmm.
so that cane property. And the forest, they have a forest center up by the top there.
Mm-hmm.
That, the center is it built. That was it up there, over the top there. And there was nothing else too tough. Me no guarantee to Copie and Duppy, because Copie say man on Duppy at least. Copie talk say man on Duppy, man on Duppy. But he say, yeah, what Copie and he don't want it anymore. He say, yeah, Duppy. He say, no man, me no Duppy, man. Me no Duppy. Yeah. Yeah, man, Copie go on some way in the commune.